Hi everyone. Today we will learn about understanding the health data management in SPSS. First, we consider data menu bar. In data menu bar, SPSS offers several options for managing and manipulating data, including defining variables, sorting cases, merging files, splitting files, and splitting files and selecting cases. These functions allow users to organize and prepare their dataset for analysis. Here data menu bar have different options or submenu. First we consider identify duplicate cases. For this purpose, we use the data article topic is diabetes knowledge and treatment satisfaction among type 2 diabetes patients in a tertiary care hospital, Karachi, Pakistan. The objective of the study is this study aims to assess the knowledge of diabetes and treatment satisfaction among type 2 diabetic patients who come to the diabetes OPD in Civil Hospital, Karachi. Okay, identify the duplicate cases. Duplicate cases may occur in your data for many reasons, including data entry errors, in which the same case is accidentally entered more than once. The second case is multiple cases share a common primary ID but have different secondary ID values, such as the family members who all live in the same house. And the third case is multiple cases represent the same case but with different values for variables other than those that identify the use, such as multiple blood tests made by the same person or a family for different diseases or at different times. Duplicate cases. First step is go to data, identify duplicate cases, select one or more variables to check for duplicates, choose what to do with duplicates, mark the first or last occurrence, create a flag variables primary first that identifies duplicates. For example, check the duplicate entries in a patient ID column to ensure data integrity. Okay, first we go to our folder where we have data file, and we open this data file in SPSS 24 version. Uh, Data. Okay, we go to data options, data menu bar, and go to identify duplicate cases and move all variables. First, select the all variables and move to data matching cases by, and here we have two options: last cases and first cases, each group in primary, and the file name is or variable name is primary last. Variable name is primary last, and go to OK button. Press to OK button, and then here we have only one duplicate case. Uh, First, we show the form number. We enter 2 times 17 form numbers and go to the last variable in data view. In data view, we show the last variable, primary variable is given the last and the duplicate case given the first. This show the primary and duplicate cases variable. This variable is name is primary last. Okay. Mm, we select our duplicate cases or case and delete it. Then we analyze our data.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.